Hello, cheaters. We have an exciting new update that will allow you to more easily pull data out of Google Sheets and insert that into fields. So, filling out forms or other places you might insert text, such as keyword searches. So, it's now be done entirely using no code options. So, here's a quick example. So, I have some data in a Google Sheet, and as part of this, you do need to have your Google Sheet published in CSV format. So to publish our Google Sheet in CSV format, we'll come up to the File menu, and we'll come down to the Share option and choose Publish to Web. And it is possible to still change permissions on this to see who can see it. You can do that in your account settings. But we'll publish the entire document. You can choose specific sheets within the document, but we'll choose the entire document. And in this drop down, this is the important part. We want to select CSV format. And then we can click publish and OK. And now we have a web address. So we will want to copy this. And we can then take that into CheatLayer. So we have our form that we want to fill out. We'll just do first name, last name, middle initial. We'll go ahead and open up CheatLayer. And you can add this cheat action to any element on the page. And we're going to use the get data from Google Sheets. And as soon as we click this, it's going to prompt us for that web address. So we will paste that in and click save. And this now imports all of the data from our Google Sheet. You can see this in the console output. And now that is accessible to other actions within CheatLayer. So we'll use a key press action here. We'll click add to cheat, use key press. Now if I click on this key press action for more details, in the drop down for the input for the key press, we have all of that information from our Google Sheet. So let's go ahead and match this up. First name, do another one for last name, and one more for the middle initial. So now we can run this, and you'll see this is going to automatically fill out those fields. And there we have it. You can see it took that data from my Google Sheet and typed it in the fields that we specified. So that's how you can use entirely no code options and the drop downs to fill out forms, getting data from a Google Sheet. So keep an eye on our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this, and be sure to like, follow, and subscribe. And as always, good luck with your cheats.